Okay, number 9, we want to use the piecewise function and find the given values of h. So we want to find h of negative 10, h of negative 1, h of 1, and h of positive 4. So what we need to do is look at the piecewise function and the restrictions. So each part of this equation, or each piece of this function, has a domain or a set of x values that works for it. So this first one, negative 2x minus 11, only works when x is less than negative 8. This one in the middle, you get 1 only for x values between negative 8 and positive 1, including negative 8. That's with the equality. And then x plus 4 only works for x values greater than or equal to 1. So you're going to use this to determine which piece of the function you're going to be working with. So h of negative 10. 10 is not greater than 1. It's not between negative 8 and 1. It only fits for this equation. So when I want to solve h of 10, h of negative 10, that means I'm going to be doing negative 2, and then instead of x, I'm going to plug in the negative 10 minus 11. I'm going to solve this. Negative times a negative gives me a positive 20 minus 11, which gives us positive 9. Then h of negative 1, negative 1 will be between here and here. Well, this part of the function, there's nothing to plug in. We can't plug in the negative 1 like we did before. So on this part, we're just given that h of negative 1 equals 1. That's the only thing that we have. So it's just a constant function right there. So just get 1. H of 1, okay, so notice two endpoints have 1. You have to be careful and see which one has the equality. The equal to 1 only works for this one. Okay, so when we do h of 1, we're going to be using the bottom equation. H of 1 is equal to 4 times 1 plus 1. You just plug in that value to x. This gives us 4 plus 1, which just gives us 5. Right, then the last part, h of 4. So we're going to use 4. 4 only works for this last function. So we're going to do h of 4. 4 times 4 plus 1, that gives us 16 plus 1 is 17. Uh-oh, mistake. Oh, just 4. Why am I multiplying? I'm not sure. This should not have been 4 times 1 plus 4. This is just 4 plus x. So it just happened to work out here. 4 plus 1, which still works out to be 5. Here, I'm not multiplying. I'm doing 4 plus x, which I'm plugging in a 4. That just gives us 8. Okay. Be careful to copy the equation down correctly. Don't know what I was looking at there. Just making up my own equation. Should be 8.